Good evening, everyone. Adam here from Bull Logic doing another market analysis with you. Taking a look at the S&P, we can see it was up 0.31% today. Most of its run came in the morning. We had an afternoon consolidation, and then it started to dip into the close. Still have a very bullish undertone here. As you can see, we are starting to flag off in this market with those highs coming in at 1437. We could see a breakout and a run to that 1446, 1450 level up into this upper channel line. Not really seeing a big move or a big pullback come from the bears. We were hoping that we get at least a retest of that 1418 area, maybe that 20-day moving average, so we can really swing some longs, really load up on those long charts. But right now, we're just working off those overbought conditions through time, which means we are moving sideways. So definitely keep a watch for a breakout higher. Looking at the NASDAQ, we did see a little bit more of a pullback. As we see, we got a little bit closer to that support level, not as big of a gain coming in today. Again, all eyes are on Apple as it had another red day coming down into that 20-day moving average. It seemed to hold okay. We'll have to wait for tomorrow to see if they'll continue to hold. I believe Apple is releasing their iPhone 5, or at least announcing it, so we'll have to see how the market is going to react to that. Looking at the Russell, very strong here on the Russell. Another flag still happening right under these highs. Definitely on watch for a breakout. We are very overbought here on the Russell, so we'll have to wait to see if we can get some more sideways action, maybe a little bit of a pullback down into that 1835, 1830 level before we really make another run higher. Taking a look at the VIX, another update for the VIX coming up almost 1%. Definitely things are on watch with Germany coming in with their announcement to see if they were going to allow buying the bonds. And then we also got QE3 announcements, see if that's going to happen from the Fed on Thursday. So we'll have to keep those on watch just to make sure. Definitely don't want to get too leveraged going into these events just because the market could turn either direction depending on what news comes out. We used to having a good news is okay, but bad news is better kind of reaction. So we'll just have to see and wait for the news to come out. Looking at the Dow 20 transport, we're getting overextended here, getting overbought. Nice balance off that lower channel line. As you see, we are running into the upper channel. We're now passing the moving averages. So I would like to see a pullback here, which may help the markets actually pull back themselves. Technology still holding up strong, starting to flag off here after this nice gap higher, still holding above that 20-day moving average. Very bullish on that one. Financials also very bullish, forming a flag coming down. Definitely keep that one on watch for a breakout higher. And even the biotechs are still looking bullish with a nice bull flag run up and a pullback here. So definitely very bullish, very bullish going into this market. Definitely need to see some action out of the bears. We might get some if Germany throws us a curveball or people do not or do get QE3. But as of right now, we are not seeing any action come out of the bears. Not really looking to get heavy short here. Not even looking to get heavy long until we start working off some of this overbought conditions. Then that's when we'll load up a little bit more. For now, we're going to eye the A+ setups, the setups we have in our watch list. We're going to keep those on watch because those are the ones that we're going to really want to go. And so we'll trade them shorter time frames and just hit them as they happen. Hopefully that helps everyone going into tomorrow. Remember, watch out for the news coming out of Germany. See if they offer us anything overnight. Good luck.